So once you've warmed up drawing an interior, you're starting to build your relationship to the space. What I like to do sometimes is just to kind of let go and try to see what I remember after observing it. So if I look into my studio and I really just take some time, maybe up to a minute, to really absorb the space, starting with the things closest to me on the table and then moving way, way, way back into the distance. Then I can come to my drawing, and I'm using a charcoal pencil here. I'm going to just take one last look at that space, and then I'm going to close my eyes, and I'm just going to start to draw what I remember. Now this is after I've done several drawings of this space. I'm just going to draw what I remember, moving from close to me, and I know that there's some pencil jars and things on the table close to me, and the table edge. I'm using a continuous contour line. I'm not lifting my pencil, coming around. I know that there's a chair over here somewhere, just sticking out from behind the table, a column. And then way in the distance, there's a door, some floorboards that would bring us back, but I'm really trying to feel what's really far away, trying to remember what's really far away, maybe some paintings leaning up against the wall. So that's my version of moving from close to far. And then what I want to do is I'm actually going to wipe this out. I'm going to wipe it out with a little chamois cloth. You could do this with, it's charcoal, it can get kind of subtle. And this subtlety is really great, because look what happens when I now take a look at the space, absorb what I'm seeing. And now I'm going to close my eyes and imagine, rather than moving from near to far, I'm moving from far to near. So I'm going to start way in the distance at the door. And again, I'm going to close my eyes. And I'm going to work with some of the things in the distance, feeling the space as it moves up towards me. So rather than going from near to far, I'm going far to near. I know that there's some paintings in the distance here. I know that I have a table edge somewhere in here. And I'm really sort of trying to let go of product, because I can't see what I'm doing. I'm more feeling what I'm doing. Let go of product and bring in a little bit more feeling. And notice as I'm doing this that the new lines I've put down are actually darker, and the ones underneath are kind of smoky and almost misty. And I feel like that really gives a sense of the passing of time, of memory in a way. So there's this echo of space from far to near and near to far, which is an amazing way to sort of relay a sense of memory and also, again, reinforce what you're remembering and trust your memory and trust your connection between your hand and your eye.